and subtraction of money. Okay, yes. As we have studied regarding the addition and subtraction of ordinary numbers, can you tell me what is addition and subtraction? What is addition and subtraction? We have studied. Okay, so here please see, addition is nothing but you are getting the things together. Getting the numbers together is known as addition. Okay, from the numbers, if you are taking away the numbers, if you are taking away the objects, then it will be known as subtraction. Okay, as addition and subtraction we have studied earlier, in the same way it is addition and subtraction of money. Okay, like for example, if you have rupees 10, okay, you already have rupees 10, and I will be giving you again rupees 15. Okay, you already have 10 rupees, and I will be giving you rupees 15 again. Now I will ask you, how many money do you have all together? What will you do here? Then 25. Yes, it is addition. The operation that we follow is addition. Okay, addition of rupees 10 and rupees 15. It is equal to how many rupees? 25. Yes, it is equal to rupees 25. We did it by adding 10 and 15. Okay, 10 and 15 you have to add together. It is 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, and hence we have received totally 25 rupees. Okay, this is regarding the things that we are taking together. Getting the things all together is known as addition. What about subtraction? Subtraction is nothing but taking the things away from the total. Okay, taking the things away from total is known as subtraction. Now you have 20 rupees. Your friend will ask you, please give me 5 rupees. Then how much money will be left with you? 15. Yes. Yes. You have 20 rupees and your friend will ask you, give me please 5 rupees. Then how much amount will be left with you? When the word left comes, it means that it goes for subtraction. Okay, how much amount is left with you means you will have to subtract. The operation we follow is subtraction. Okay, so here it will be 20 minus 5. Okay, so here we cannot take 5 from 0. Okay, we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we will have to borrow it from 2. Now it is 1 and here it will be now 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 1 will be down as it is. So it is totally 15 rupees. Correct? This is how we do the subtraction. Subtraction is nothing but taking the things away is known as subtraction. Okay? So same thing we will be dealing with exercise. Please see children, exercise 10.3. Page number 143. Page number 143. Okay, exercise 10.3. Take pencil, eraser in your hand. Exercise 10.3. Okay, yes. Now we have in money, we will have rupees as well as paise. Okay, so here they have given, we will have to make it in columns, which is already given here, rupees and payments. What is P? Paise. Paise. Okay, yes. Correct. So we have 20 point. You can't hear me? The first one is rupees 20.45, 45 45 paise. Okay, 20 rupees 45 paise, and you will have to add it for how much? 345 15 paise. Correct? Yes. Help me out for the addition. How will you do it, children? See here, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 and 1 carry over will go to the next digit. Correct? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Then the dot you will have to maintain it. Do not forget to write the dot as it is below. Okay. Next, 0 plus 5. 5. 5. Okay. Yes. 2 plus 4. 6. And 3 will come down as it is. Okay. Now tell me what is the total amount? 3. Yes. Yes. Rupees 365 60 paise. Okay, this will come under rupees and 60 is paise. Okay, you have to read it as 365 rupees 60 paise. Okay, yes. When we have to write before 365. Yes, 365 60 paise. Okay, now the second one, please see, it is already there in your textbook. It is already arranged in the textbook in columns. Okay, please see, it is 440 rupees. Okay, because we don't have anything as paise, so it will be written as 0. Okay, if there is no any paise, simply we will have to be written as 440, put a dot and two zeros. Then 358 57 paise. Yes. Add it, children. 0 plus 7. 7. Okay. 0 plus 5. 5. Okay. 0 plus 8. 8. 4 plus 5. 9. Yes. 4 plus 3. 7. Yes. Yes. It is 798 rupees 57 paise. Yes. Okay. Yes. So children, the next one, C1 is for homework. C1, it is for homework. Will you do it? Okay. So the next question, see here, the next question, put each of the following in columns and then you have to add it. The first question was ready-made. Okay, it was already arranged in columns, rupees in one column and paise in another column. But the second question is you have to arrange it in columns and then add it. Okay? Yes. In your notebook, you will be doing it. The second question, you will be doing it in the notebook. Okay? Arrange in columns. In your maths. Yes. Yes, you will have to do it in your maths notebook. Okay? Yes. And add. Arrange in columns and add. Okay? Please mute. Children, please mute. Yes. The next question you have to arrange in columns and add. It is given as rupees 537 55 paise and 215 65 paise. arrange it in columns and then add. Okay. See here, the first thing you do is, because it is addition, you can do it as it is. Take the first number and down will be taking the. It's not clear? Yes. So children, please see, arrange in columns and add. You will have to first make the column of rupees and then paise. Okay. The first money, it is 537.55 paise. Okay. So we will be writing it as 537. Put the dot. 55 will come under paise. Okay. Next, the second amount is 215 rupees 65 paise. Okay. So see here, we have three digits. Three digits will come under the above amount. Okay. 537.55 paise. 215 65 paise. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Please add it. Add it, children. First, you have to add the paise. The carryover will go to the rupees. Okay, if there is any carryover, it will be forwarded to the rupees section. 5 plus 5. 10. 0 down and 1 carryover will go to the next digit. 5 plus 1. 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 and 1 carryover will go to the next digit. Okay, put the dot as it is. Don't forget to put the dot. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 and 1 carryover will go to the next digit, that is 3. 3 plus 1. 4. 4 plus 1. 5. 5 plus 2. 7. Okay. So the money, the total money will be 753 rupees 20 paise. Did you understand? Yes. Okay. In the same way, second question is, you will have to arrange in columns and add. Okay. It is rupees 419.15 paise and rupees 300. Okay, this is the first question. Second question. The second question is 419. It is rupees 419.15 paise and rupees 300. See here, don't get confused when it is only given in rupees. When it is given only in rupees, it means that there are 0 paise. Okay, now see, rupees and paise. Okay, we have first 419 rupees 15 paise. Okay, so we will write it as 419. Put a dot and write 15 paise. Please mute, children. Mute. Please see. Rupees 419.15 paise and you have to add rupees 300. When it is only given in rupees, it means that there are 0 paises. Okay, you will also have to write it as dot 2 zeros because there are no any paise. Okay, now please add 5 plus 0. 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1. 9 plus 0. 9. 1 plus 0. 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. Yes. Did you get the answer? Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay. So the third one is for homework. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So the next question. The next question, please see. Yeah, page number 144. Page number 144. Yes, here begins the subtraction. Till now, we have seen regarding the addition. Page number 144, the third question, subtract each of the following. Okay, they are given rupees and paise which are already in columns. We have to only subtract the money. Okay. The third question, your textbook itself. Subtract each of following. Okay. The first one, rupees and paise. Okay. 264. Put a dot. 55 paise and 172 72 paise. Okay. Yes. Now here we will have to subtract 264 55 paise and 172 rupees 72 paise. Okay. Yes. Please see. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. How many? 3. Yes. Can you subtract 5 from, can you subtract 7 from 5? No. So you will have to ask a borrow from the next digit. Here we have 4. Yes, can we borrow? Yes. Now 4 if you cancel becomes 3 and it transfers 1 to 5. Now it is 15. 15 minus 7. 8. The dot will be as it is down. 3 minus 2. 1. Yes. Can you subtract 6 minus 7?
No,
No.
ma'am.
You will have to again ask the borrow from the neighboring number. Now it is 16. 16 minus 7. How much? 9. Yes. 1 minus 1. 0. Yes. So it is 91 rupees 83 paise. Did you get, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. The second question, 377 rupees 377 rupees 80 paise. Correct? And you have to subtract it with 107 rupees 55 paise. Yes. Do it. 0 minus 5. Is it possible? No. You have to again ask borrow from 8. 8 now becomes 7. Okay. It hands over 1 to 0. Now it is 10. 10 minus 5. 5. 7 minus 5. 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Then the dot is again as it is. 7 minus 7. 0. 7 minus 0. 7. 3 minus 1. 2. Yes, please check the answer. Check the answer. 270 rupees 25 paise. Did you all get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. The third one, 2,657. We will solve this. You see, 2,657 Okay, and 1734 80 paise. Yes. Now it is in 4 digits. Okay, we have in thousands. 2657 rupees 60 paise and 1734 rupees 80 paise. Okay, let us subtract now. 0 minus 0.
Zero.
Zero. Okay. 6 minus 8. Is it possible? No. We have to ask the word from 7. 7 now becomes 6. 6 now becomes 16. 16 minus 8. Quick. 16 minus 8? 8. Yes. The dot will come again as it is. 6 minus 4? 6 minus 4? 2. Yes. 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3? 2. 6 minus 7, is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No. We have to again ask the borrow from the neighboring number. 2, deduct, make it 1. 6, now it becomes 16. 16 minus 7. 9. Okay. 1 minus 1 is
Zero.
0. So tell me, read the amount, how much it is? How much is the amount? Yes, 922 rupees 80 paise. Okay, is it easy? Is it easy, children?
Yes, ma'am. So easy.
Yes. Okay. So the next part is again arranging in columns and subtracting. Okay. Do it in your notebook. We will solve only one. Okay. Let us solve the third one. Fourth question, we will solve the third one. First and second is very easy. The third one we will solve. Put in columns and subtract. Okay? Yes. The third question, you'll write it down. C1. It is rupees 1070 50 paise from 2084 55 paise. Okay. Now they have given it in number in a sentence form. You have to subtract rupees 1070 rupees 50 paise from 2084 rupees 55 paise. Now you tell me, will you take this number at the top or the second number at the top?
Second number.
Yes. Very good. Whenever it is given as from. Okay, you have to subtract it from means the biggest number will come on the top. Okay, we have to take it as first write it in columns rupees and paise. We will write the second, that is bigger number first. 2084 rupees 55 paise. Next comes the smaller amount 1070 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Now it is ready. It is already in columns. You have to only subtract. Don't get confused. Don't take the smaller number first. Okay. You have to take the bigger number first and then followed by the smaller digit. Okay. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 5,
Zero.
0. The dot as it is. Okay. 4 minus 0,
Four.
4. 8 minus 7,
One.
1.
One.
0 minus 0,
Zero. Zero.
2 minus
1.
1. Okay, so read out how much amount is left.
1030 rupees 5 paise.
Yes,
Rupees 5
5 paise. See here, it is 0.05. We write 1 as like this. Yes or no? 0, 1 means what? 1. 0, 2. 2 paise. So it is written as a dot, and 0, 1 means 1 paise. If you write it like this here, if it is like this, then it is 10 paise. 0 and 1 is nothing but 1 paise. In the same way, here we will be reading it as 1014 rupees 5 paise. We have to read it as 5 paise. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The fifth question. Please see. The fifth question is, they are given in word form. How much, solve the following, how much is to be added to 340 rupees 25 paise to get 755 rupees 60 paise? Clear? The first question here, how much has to be added to get 755 rupees 60 paise, the smaller amount and the bigger amount. To find how much has to be added, what operation will you follow?
Medicine. Maths.
Subtraction. Yes. Please see the first fifth mean, solve the following. You have to solve it in your notebook. Solve the following. Okay, the first one, how much is to be added? How much is to be added to rupees 340 rupees 25 paise to get rupees 755 60 paise. So see here. Yes. Now you have already 340 rupees 25 paise. Okay. And your friend has 755 rupees 60 paise. Okay. How much amount you still need to reach to your friend's amount? The friend's amount is 755 60 paise. But you have only 340 rupees 25 paise. To find how much it has to be added, we need to find what is the difference. Difference means what is the operation? Subtraction. Yes. So here we will be writing it as yes. Okay. You have to do subtraction. Yes. Now tell me which number will be on the top.
755.
Correct. Okay. So it is rupees and paise again. 750
755 rupees and
60 paise, and down you have to subtract it by 340 rupees 25 paise. Okay. Please tell me, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now see, 0 minus 5. Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Carry 6 now will become as 5. 0 will now become as 10. 10 minus 5.
5. 5, ma'am. 5.
Yes. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 2.
3.
3. Dot as it is. 5 minus 0.
5.
5. 5 minus 4.
1.
1. 7 minus 3.
4.
4. Yes, it means that The difference between 755 rupees 60 paise and 340 rupees 25 paise is 415 rupees 35 paise less. Yes, you have to still add how much? Rupees 415 35 paise to reach 755 rupees 60 paise. It means that much it is less. To find how much it has to be added. See here, how much is to be added. It means that you have to find the difference between bigger amount and smaller amount. If you find the difference, then it is clear that how much it has to be added. Clear? Any doubt, children? Okay. Yes. The next one, the next question. Seema had rupees 3,500 in her purse. Okay, she spent 1,120 rupees in shopping. How much money is left with her? Now tell me what to do. Yes, correct. It is subtraction. You have to subtract how much? 1,120 from 3,500. Correct? Yes. And see here, children. Please see the second question is a word problem. For word problems, as I told you, it is both including English and mathematics. You have to write it in sentence, whatever information is been given. Don't solve directly. Okay, don't simply subtract. You have to write it in sentence form. Okay, please see how will you write it? The B1. B and write the solution. I'll read out the question once again. Seema had rupees 3,500 in her purse. She spent rupees 1,120 in her shopping. How much money is left with her? To find how much amount is left with her, we are going to subtract. Don't directly write the digits and subtract. You are supposed to write it in sentence. What is Yes. You're not able to see the board? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So here, B. Yes. Total amount Seema had. How many? How much amount? 3,500. Yes. Rupees 3,500. Okay. Then Seema spent in shopping. How much amount did she spend in a shopping? 1,120. Yes. 1,120. Yes, it is 1,120. Okay? Yes. And how much money is left with her? Down. How much money is left is a question mark. We don't know. Okay? These are the steps that you have to include in your writing part. Whenever there are word problems for each and every step, you will be having marks. Okay, you'll be getting marks for each and every step. And then solve. Yes, now tell me, how will you do that? Subtract. Yes, subtract 1,120 from rupees 3,500. Any confusion in this part? Okay. So now let us do the subtraction. Rupees and paise. First thing, which amount will you write at the top? Yes, it is 3,000. Yes, it is 3,500. Do you have any paise over here? No. So it should be written as 0, 0. Down. You have to subtract it by 1,120 paise. Okay? Yes. Now here, these zeros will come down as 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Again, 0 minus 0. The dot has to be followed. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 2, is it possible? Yes. So it is now, yes. 0 has now become 10. 10 minus 2 is
10 minus 2 is
8. 4 minus 1,
3.
3. Okay, put a comma. 3 minus 1,
2.
2. Yes, now tell me how much amount is left with Seema now?
Then 2,080 rupees
Yes.
are left with Seema.
Yes, so now see here, after this I'll be writing it over here. Can you see the board? Write it as answer, okay, rupees 2,380.00 is left with, yeah, I will adjust 1 minute. See now you have to write it. Okay, okay, yes. See your children down. Okay, I will write it here. After this, down you write it as answer. Answer rupees. Gumte, only you can't see the board. Next sentence, rupees is left with Seema. Okay? Yes. Then C and D. C and D is for homework. See here, fifth main question, C and D is for homework. You have to try both the examples, both the word problems. Okay. Shall I write it on board? What is the homework? Or you have marked it? No, I'm not erasing. Exercise. Yes, correct. C and D. Mother gave Mohan 565 rupees 50 paise. His father gave him 625 rupees 75 paise. How much money does Mohan have now? What is the operation? Addition. Very good. If Rita spent so much in buying toys for a kid, how much money is left with? She had rupees 870. What is the operation? Subtraction. Yes. Both you have to try it. Okay. C and D is for homework.